Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to design your own high top shoe. If you want to see how the outline is made, go into the first video, the first design, the Be Free design, and it'll show you how to create the shape. But I'm just going to show you the design moving forward for the second pair and then the third pair. What I've done is I right-clicked Edit Points and I extended the original low top shoe to make it a high top. So now we're going to start filling in the design. This part here, I'm going to make gold piping, shape format, shape outline, shape fill. Going to make it a red. This will be like an American flag design. Go with that one. Shape fill. This will be blue. Shape outline, gold. This part, I can probably leave it white for now. This I'll make red. Okay, so it's going to be, I'm going to give it a bit of a gradient. Shape effects, bevel, will be that. This one I'm going to make here, gradient, that one there. Shape effects, click on the little arrow. And look at the lighting. Let's see if we can raise the height a bit. Width as well. Effects bevel. I'm gonna get some lighting on it. Probably some gradient. This bottom part. I'm gonna go into texture fill. I'm gonna choose recycled paper. I'm going to take the tile off. Okay. Change the transparency a little bit to make it softer. So I'm going to go here. Shape effects, bevel. Choose that. Go into 3D format. Take down the width a little bit. Like that. So for this thing, I'm going to go gradient, the top, shape effects, bevel. Choose that. Bring down the width. Let's go shape fill, white. Middle. Shape outline, no outline. Shape effects. Corner. Front to back. Bring forward. So now it's going to be behind over here. Either that or that. way. So take it higher. Shape fill. Don't want this. I think I want this to go behind there. Okay, I'm going to extend this. I'm going to say center back. I'm going to say bring forward. There, now it's behind it. Put a star. Here we go. Shape fill. White. Bevel. Some gradient. Okay, center back. Bring forward. Like that. Shape fill. No fill. Shape outline. White. Shape outline thickness. Okay. Center back. Bring forward. Weight. Shape effect bevel. Like that. Edit points. Okay, I want to open the path. Then I want to delete. I'm going to delete this point. Delete this point. Delete. Delete. Bring that back in. Bring this here. But I think the gradient, I would want it to be gray. Say something like that. Copy this, paste it, make it smaller, make a double effect. Edit points. Here, nice. Really nice. 6. Just gonna select all objects. Shape, format, group, and group everything. Make sure everything's done right. And that's it. Thanks for watching.